Hello everyone, today we are going to see one more demonstration for PEB Optimization Tool. This time we are not going to optimize a very huge frame or a 3D model. Instead, we are going to start a small, very simple wind column which composed of three pieces with the middle piece having a straight section. Okay, this is very common in a pre-engineered building. So the reason why we took this particular design is that the frame might look optimized here. Here you can see the ratio is 0.814, and the top portion they can't optimize it further, it is 0.409. Even though this particular wind column looks good or fine to our eyes, the engineer could not have tried all the possible sections within the search space, right? So if I go and check the sections here, it is actually 300 to 500, 5, 150 and 6. So 500 are straight section, 5 mm web and 6 mm flange, 5 mm and 6 mm again. Okay, so this is the section that the engineer chooses, and this section gives us a weight of 3.687 kilonewton. Okay, what we are trying to prove here is that the PEB optimization tool will search the entire search space and then arrive the most feasible and least weighted section. Okay, so without further ado, let us go to the tool. Here the design is as per AISC-LRFD. okay, and my load combination is 4 to 8 is my strength load combination. So 4 to 8 AISC-LRFD, and I'm going to use the slender section. Okay, so if I go to settings, like I said, I'm starting with a start depth of 250, start flange width is 150, and for web thickness, since they have used 5 mm for web and then flange is 6 mm, I am going to stick to it. I am not going to reduce it further, because if I'm searching for lighter thickness members, obviously my tool will find out the least weight. So I just want to play fair. Okay, so let me add a surface. We will select these members, just click extract, and for the middle member we just want to make it as a straight member. Save it and run the optimization. Yeah, our use a section something like this. Let me apply and analyze. Okay, yes, it is done. So if we check the design results, yeah, the design results are good. Let me go and check the weight. 3.545. previously it was 3.689, and it is now 3.545, and even we have a really good ratio. Previously this section was failing with a ratio of 1. Right now it is optimum. Okay, so this is the power of PEB optimization tool, where saving the time arriving at a section is one benefit, but searching the entire looking for the entire search space and then arriving the least possible solution is another added advantage. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get back to you with other cool demonstrations. Thank you.